In this video, I'm going to show you how to view and manage your subscriptions in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to the Spending tab from your dashboard. This is where all your transactions and recurring payments are managed. Then, select the Recurring section. This area automatically gathers all your repeating charges in one place, including subscriptions, memberships, and regular bills. Once you're inside, you'll see a calendar view of all your subscriptions. Origin automatically detects recurring payments, but any subscriptions you added manually will also appear here. This makes it easier to track everything without missing hidden charges. You can also switch to the List view, which shows your upcoming subscription payments by date. This helps you see exactly when money will be deducted and plan your cash flow better. On top of that, Origin provides quick cancel links for many popular services, so you can unsubscribe without searching through different websites. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.